Hi guys, so if you saw our videos last year about growing watermelons in dustbins or trash cans, if you like, then you'll see that the roots grow enormously large and the melons were growing last year. So we've done the same thing again this year. We've just made a couple of modifications. So this year what we've done is we've covered the dustbins in some white wrap just to try and deflect some of the heat and just try and keep the temperature of the water down. Maybe that affected the actual growth, I'm not quite sure, but we'll see with this year. We've also added some strings to the plants just to give them some support and seeing if we can train them up and just follow 3 or 4 strings off each plant and see if the melons will grow off each different row. So here's a couple of our bins that have got watermelons in, and what we've done is to say we've covered them in white pallet wrap, which is helping to keep the temperature down, and then the plant itself is shooting up, and then what we've got is we've just got strings for each one of the runners that are coming off there, and you can see already, because of the bees that we've had that are coming into the greenhouse quite freely on their own, is that we've now started to get a few little melons forming already, and there's one. If we look into the tank, you'll be able to see that again the roots are just shooting down there. They're going into the nutrient-rich water, and this water could be anything that you like. It can either be water with hydroponic nutrients added. We used chili focus last year, or in our case this is water from our aquaponics system, so the nutrients are coming from the fish. So it's part of the aquaponics system, but it's separate. So we take the water from the fish sump and then put it into these buckets. So it should just be a one-shot deal, and there should be enough water in there to keep these plants going for the whole season, but we'll see if we have to add any more later in the year. Okay, thanks very much guys.